What if I told you the coolest gadgets aren't trending on TikTok? They're hiding in plain sight. Welcome to Tools Inspector. Today we're counting down 15 unbelievable gadgets that look like they're straight from the future. Stay till the end, because the number 4 gadget might be the smartest everyday device you'll ever see. Number 1. Rechargeable Keychain Flashlight. This tiny gadget could save you in a blackout. This mini flashlight proves size means nothing. Despite fitting on your keys, it shines bright enough for emergencies and night use. Rechargeable power means no batteries to replace. It's a must-have everyday carry tool for travel, cars, and survival kits. Number 2. Heated Leg Massager. Imagine getting a professional leg massage without leaving home. This compression massager boosts circulation and relaxes muscles automatically. It feels like a personal recovery machine after a long day. Adjustable intensity lets you customize comfort. Perfect for athletes, workers, or anyone who stands for hours. Heat therapy enhances relaxation and improves comfort. The wrap design fits different leg sizes easily. Number 3. Smart Body Composition Scale. This scale knows more about your body than you think. It measures body fat, muscle mass, water percentage, and more, not just weight. Like a mini health lab at home, it tracks progress through an app. Accurate sensors provide detailed insights, ideal for fitness tracking and health goals. Multiple user profiles allow family tracking. Sleek design looks modern in any room. Number 4. Foldable Travel Lamp. A lamp that folds flat like paper sounds impossible until now. This rechargeable light packs flat, but opens into a warm, glowing lantern. Stylish, portable, and perfect for travel or cozy lighting anywhere. Touch controls adjust brightness instantly. Great for camping, hotels, or bedside use. Long battery life keeps it glowing for hours. Lightweight build makes it easy to carry anywhere. Its soft ambient glow creates a relaxing atmosphere wherever you place it. Number 5. Multifunction LED Desk Lamp. This desk lamp replaces 4 gadgets at once. It combines lighting, wireless charging, a clock, and a phone holder in one compact design. Instantly upgrades any workspace setup. Adjustable brightness protects eyes during long sessions. Perfect for study desks and productivity stations. Flexible neck lets you aim light exactly where needed. Modern design matches any desk aesthetic. It helps keep your desk organized and clutter-free. Number 6. Kid Smartwatch with GPS. A smartwatch that keeps parents connected to their kids at all times. This watch offers GPS tracking, video calls, and messaging for safety and communication. Parents stay in touch without giving kids a smartphone. Durable design handles everyday play. Great for school days and outings. SOS button provides quick emergency alerts. Comfortable strap makes it easy for kids to wear all day. Simple controls make it easy for children to use without confusion. Number 7. Long Life Fridge Deodorizer. Imagine never smelling bad fridge odors again for years. This tiny device eliminates smells for up to 10 years without refills. Just place it inside and forget about it. Keeps food fresher and air neutral. Works in fridges, cars, closets, and RVs. Chemical-free operation makes it safe around food. Compact size fits anywhere without taking space. It quietly works non-stop without needing maintenance. Number 8. Triple Laptop Screen Extender. Turn your laptop into a 3-screen command center instantly. This portable monitor extender transforms one display into a full workstation. Perfect for multitasking, editing, or business work. Setup takes seconds with plug-and-play support. It's like carrying a desktop office in your bag. Adjustable angles improve viewing comfort. Lightweight design keeps your setup portable. It dramatically boosts productivity for professionals and students alike. Number 9. This camera lets you see inside machines without opening them. The flexible probe snakes into engines, pipes, or walls to reveal hidden problems. Adjustable tip lets you look around corners easily. Built-in lights illuminate dark areas. a powerful tool for mechanics and DIY repairs. High-resolution camera provides clear visuals. Durable cable resists bending damage. It saves time and money by diagnosing issues quickly. Number 10. What if you could carry a laser workshop in your backpack? This handheld engraver carves designs into wood, metal, leather, and acrylic. Perfect for creators, businesses, or custom gifts. Precision lasers make results look professional. Portable design lets you create anywhere. Easy software controls simplify operation. Compact size makes storage effortless. It opens endless possibilities for personalization and creativity. Number 11. Ultra-thin smart ring. This ring secretly tracks your health 24/7. It monitors sleep, stress, heart rate, and activity for up to 10 days. No bulky watch, just sleek invisible tracking. Lightweight design keeps it comfortable all day. Ideal for people who want health data without distractions. Water-resistant build supports daily wear. Minimalist style matches any outfit. It blends fashion with advanced technology seamlessly. Number 12. AI Smart Glass. Glasses that translate languages and recognize objects sound unreal. These futuristic glasses include a camera, 160 language translator, and Bluetooth audio. They don't just look smart, they are smart. Perfect for travel, recording moments, and hands-free help. It's like wearing a real-life tech assistant. Voice controls allow easy commands. Sleek frame design looks like regular eyewear. They enhance everyday tasks with smart assistants. Number 13. Electric SaladShooter Slicer. This gadget turns vegetables into perfect slices in seconds. Drop food in, press a button, and watch it shred or slice instantly. It makes meal prep fast, fun, and satisfying. Great for salads, toppings, and bulk cooking. Saves time while keeping fingers safe. Interchangeable blades add versatility. Easy clean parts simplify kitchen cleanup. It's ideal for anyone who wants quicker cooking prep. Number 14. 3-in-1 magnetic charging station. One charger that powers all your devices at once. This foldable stand replaces messy cables with a clean charging hub. It powers your phone, earbuds, and watch together. Strong magnets keep devices secure. Perfect for desks, nightstands, or travel. Compact fold design saves space. Non-slip base keeps it stable while charging. It simplifies your daily charging routine. Number 15. Compact 10 by 42 Monocular Telescope. This pocket gadget lets you see miles away. This powerful monocular delivers sharp clarity and rugged durability. Small enough for your pocket, yet strong, like full-size optics. Built for adventurers and explorers. Perfect for hiking, wildlife viewing, travel, and emergencies. Anti-slip grip ensures steady viewing. High-quality lenses enhance brightness and detail. It's a reliable companion for any outdoor journey. These gadgets aren't just cool. They actually make life easier, smarter, and more fun. Which one amazed you the most? Comment below. And subscribe to Tools Inspector for more insane gadgets you didn't know existed.